Hi there, welcome once again and welcome to this lesson of free website building course. Here today in this lesson we will learn how to change and edit our footer menu. So these sort of things we'll get to know in this today's lesson. Before we start, my name is Funny. I have created this channel to power everyone's life and create value so that everyone can discover their true potential. It's my genuine effort to enhance the life of people who truly wanted to discover themselves in this new digital era. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now we come to the footer part. As we already discussed that how we can change these things. This is called footer. So if you click here, then you will be able to change these footer things. Like as we see, this one is now selected. That if you wanted to change your whole things like copyright and other stuff, you can keep it here and you can edit this text, and accordingly this will be display over here. And if you wanted to change these sort of things, then you can do so. But to change your footer, you need to simply go to your appearance and header and footer options. Here you will get an option of footer, because here footer is differently developed. So you need to go to this way, like the way we went to develop our home page in this पेज, दिस वे ओनली यू नीड टू चेंज योर फुटर. जैसे हम लोगों ने होम पेज को एडिट किया था, उसी तरीके से आप अपने फुटर को भी यहाँ पे से चेंज कर सकते हैं. सिंपली आपको फुटर में अपीयरेंस में आना है. अपीयरेंस में आने के बाद को यहाँ पर हेडर एंड फुटर का ऑप्शन मिलेगा. देन सिंपली आप यहाँ पर एडिट विथ एलिमेंटर करेंगे. देन यू विल बी रिडायरेक्टेड टू दिस पेज. देन यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली स्टार्ट editing your text. Now if you have developed your own logo, whatever the logo we have kept last time in our header part, then accordingly you can choose here and you can change your headers. If you wanted to change your address, obviously you wanted to change, you can simply click here in the edit button and you will see left side of this page in the elementor box, and you can change or you can choose from here. You can type your text over here and you can choose here in this map. Then accordingly a whole address will be appear here. And if you wanted to change your email address, then you can do so from here. आपको email address change करने के लिए अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पर मैं change कर देता हूँ info@digitalization.ml. so मैंने यहाँ पर change कर दिया. You can see here changes already has been done. Now I will show you how you can change your number as well. If you want to change your number, simply you can click here and type whatever number you have. Then you can change your number. I have already changed this number. Now address also you can change. Simply you need to click here and just edit your text XYZ. Now simply I am showing you number 13 10 whatever the address Delhi. So this way you can change. And if you wanted to change this sort of text also, simply click here and you can put your content accordingly, whatever the content you have developed. If you do not like any template or preloaded text, then simply you can right click and you can put delete option. This will be gone. So simply you can do that. If you do not like this one also, then simply you can hit the cross button. This tab will be gone. But if you want and if you want to keep that one, then simply you can edit that part and put your text as per your business outcome or as per your business, whatever you are trying to achieve through your website. You can put your content, your logo, your photos or your social media links, each and everything you can put over here. So I want that one, so simply I just put Control G. Let's see that will come or not. No, this has not come because already I have deleted that one. So simply you can, these things you need to explore this way, and then only you will be able to discover these things. Simply I have shown you how you can edit these sort of things. Now you can give your time, full attention, develop your content, prepare your logo, prepare your photographs, whatever the photographs you need for your website, then accordingly start building your site. Website building is not an easy task. It's not an one-day job. It takes time to develop your content, to design your photographs, to design your logo. Once it will be ready, then you can start developing your site one by one. It takes time to build each and everything, but ultimately you will be able to build this way. Still, if you will find any difficulties to build, then you can leave a comment over here, or you can email me in my email address. I have already mentioned in the description. You can accordingly touch with me, then I'll try to reply your comment as well. So that's it for now. I hope you have got lot of value in this video. You have got to know that how you can develop your website. And the next session we'll try to know that how we can develop our e-commerce website, how we can put our products, how we can price our product, how we can integrate our payment gateway. These all sort of things we'll try to explore in our coming videos. So if you like this video, do hit like button. If you have any suggestion and comment for me, do leave below in this video in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, because if you will subscribe, then it gives me motivation to make this sort of videos again and again. Thanks for watching.